Religion in global conflict. Religion has been a significant factor in shaping human history, often intertwining with conflict and wars worldwide. While many advocate for peace and understanding among different religious beliefs, the reality often reflects a more complex relationship between faith and conflict. This discussion explores the role of religion in global conflict, highlighting its impact, underlying causes, and potential solutions. Religion serves as a powerful source of identity, providing individuals and communities with a sense of belonging and purpose. The globalization of religion has brought both opportunities for interfaith dialogue and cooperation as well as challenges stemming from religious conflicts. As societies become increasingly interconnected, religious identities and ideologies are no longer confined within national borders, leading to complex interaction and sometimes conflict between different faith communities. This discussion explores the conflict of religions in globalization, examining its causes, manifestations, and potential solutions. One of the primary causes of religious conflict in globalization is the clash of culture and values. As societies become more interconnected through trade, migration, and communication, diverse religious beliefs come into contact with one another, often leading to friction and tension. Differences in religious practices, moral codes, and social norms can give rise to misunderstanding conflicts, particularly in religion characterized by religious diversity. One example of religion playing a role in global conflict is the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. The dispute over the land and sovereignty between Israelis and Palestinians has deep religious roots, with both groups claiming historical and religious connection to the land of Israel and Palestine. The conflict is fueled by competing religious narratives, with Jews, Christian, and Muslim all laying claim to Jerusalem, which is considered a holy city in all three Abrahamic faiths. Religious symbolism and rhetoric are often used to justify territorial claims and violent actions, leading to cycles of violence and retaliation. The conflict has also been exacerbated by political and socio-economic factors, but religious identity remains a central aspect of the conflict dynamics. Additionally, the sectarian violence in Iraq following the U.S.-led invasion in 2003 is another example of religion contributing to the global conflict. The invasion destabilized the country and unleashed sectarian tension between Sunni and Shia Muslims, who had coexisted for centuries under authoritarian rule. Religious identities were exploited by extremist groups seeking to assert control and undermine stability, leading to widespread violence and bloodshed. This example illustrates how religion can intersect with political, social, and economic factors to global conflicts, where religious differences may not always be the primary cause of the conflict. They often exacerbate existing tension and contribute to the perpetuation of violence.